Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you which opportunities we can find on the forex market for the next days. Before starting, subscribe not to miss the next videos, leave a like, leave a comment below, don't be shy, let me know what you think. And if we get to the 1000 subscribers, there will be a gift for my viewers, so subscribe. Yeah, we are on the British Pound USD and daily chart, and the situation is pretty clear. At the moment, the price is stuck between the 250 moving average. As we can see, the price is going back and forth between the moving averages, and the 37 level is holding the ground, working as a very good support. So possibilities for the next days are quite few, and I'm going to show you what could possibly happen in the next days. Well, if the buyers are going to break above the 38.50, just next to the 200 moving average, I think that they could easily target the upper levels, so the 39, 40, 41. Okay, don't forget about the noise here on the left, a very important price structure, 37, 50 and 40. But I wouldn't be shocked, okay, to see this back and forth going on for a little bit of in the next days. And in case the price breaks down below, sellers could easily target the 36 and 34.50 level. So for me, with the US dollar weakening, chances for an upward movement are pretty good. Okay, so what I'm expecting is just a little bit of action here, back and forth, lateralizing a little bit. So I'm expecting to see a little bit of a compression before going up. But this is just my analysis. This is not trading advice. So we will keep an eye on this pair because interesting things are gonna happen, in my opinion. So for today's everything, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this video, about this analysis. Okay. See you soon. Bye bye.